HBQ-806 automatic crimping machine. Feeder optional. Multiple workstations platform. Dual wire processing which performs the functions like cutting, stripping, sealing and crimping, etc. Flexible feeding system. Cutting stripping in area 1. Sealing in area 1. Sealing detection in area 1. Crimping in area 1. Crimping detection in area 1. Cutting, stripping, stripping detection, crimping, crimping detection in area 2. Cutting, stripping in area 2, stripping detection, crimping in area 2.